late breaking. This is KCAL 9 News at 9.
An LA-bound jumbo jet crashed during takeoff in Taiwan. 82 killed. 5 months later, a troubling picture of how it may have happened is coming to light.
Families who lost loved ones on that doomed Singapore Airlines flight have filed suit in Los Angeles.
They claim the air disaster was a needless loss of life. New information may support that claim. Our Dave Clark is at LAX with more. Dave?
Well, Sylvia, the families, the local families who filed the lawsuits, they're sad, they're angry, they want to send a message, but that's only part of this news story. The other part of the story is the fact that in Taiwan, investigators say they are very close to determining what caused that crash.
And then there were flames just all over the place.
It was an inferno. Singapore Airlines Flight 006, bound for Los Angeles from Taipei, never made it. During a fierce rainstorm, it split into 3 pieces after hitting construction equipment on a runway, killing 82 of the 179 people on board. Victims included the very young, mothers and fathers, brothers and sisters.
I lost my mom and dad, and they lost their mother on this flight.
Sydney Wu of Irvine, still grieving, joined other relatives of victims in filing suit against Singapore Airlines, seeking unspecified damages and claiming negligence.
Because of negligence, they're gone today, and that's hard.
This tragedy never needed to occur.
The lawsuits say Singapore Airlines pressured its pilots to take off in typhoon-like conditions.
The rain was so severe that it was going sideways, yet the pilots chose, through the direction of the management at Singapore Airlines, to take off.
Investigators also say the plane went down a runway that was closed for construction, but it didn't have lights warning that the runway was closed and that the light that was there wasn't bright enough. And in the horrible weather, it also appears that both the control tower and the 3 pilots were confused. Investigators say the pilots asked the control tower 5 times if they were on the correct runway. They were not. The plane hit construction equipment and then disaster. Knowing these new facts helps, but it doesn't ease the pain of the victims' families.
I feel like our parents died, a senseless death. It was one that was highly preventable.
Again, this is an investigation that is still going on as of right now, while Taiwanese investigators say they're closing in on some answers. They don't have an official statement as to what caused that crash yet. The investigation continues. We're live at LAX. Dave Clark, KCAL 9 News.